This tapping session will help you release the deep-rooted belief that money is never enough. Whether you feel like no matter how much you earn, it disappears, or that you're always chasing more without feeling secure, this tapping will shift your relationship with money so you can feel more trust and abundant when it comes to money. So we're going to clear the scarcity mindset and create a new belief that money is always enough and that you're always supported. Okay, whenever you're ready, let's begin. It feels like no matter what I do, money is never enough. No matter how much I make, I feel like I always need more money. Money comes in, but it always seems to leave just as fast. I'm constantly stressed about not having enough money. It feels like there's never enough money for me to feel secure. I keep waiting for more money to come in, because then I will feel enough. But that moment never seems to come. It's so frustrating. All this fear that I will never have enough money. All this anxiety about always needing to struggle. I'm choosing to see things differently now. Scarcity is just a mindset, which means I can shift it anytime. Like right now. What if there's so much money coming my way right now? What if I allow myself to feel safe with the money that I have right now? I choose to trust that money has always supported me. It has always been there when I needed it. So I know that I always have more than enough. I'm open to seeing evidence now that I'm incredibly abundant now and forever. I'm tapping into unlimited abundance now. I choose to feel safe with money now. I trust that I will always have more than enough money and that I'm always taken care of.